Dear students of class 5A, today's lesson is one word. Chapter 40, topic one word. One word. Chapter 40, one word. You open at page number 54. Open at page 54. Chapter 40, topic one word. I shall write some sentences in the board, and at the same time I shall write its answers. You please be with me with your classwork copies and take it down the answers. I shall answer it, and at the same time I shall give importance of it. For example, I am writing government by people. Government by people. What is the answer of it? Government by people. The answer is democracy. The answer is democracy. Government by people. What is the answer of it? Democracy. Now, why is it? Because a government is formed by the active participation of the people. That means people cast their votes in order to form a government in the country, according to which a government is formed. That's why it is written, government by people is known as democracy. Then second one, government by a king or queen. Government by a king or a queen. Government by a king or a queen. That means it is monarchy. Monarchy. Government by a king or a queen. That means a government which is run by a queen or by the government which runs under the care of a king or a queen. This government is known as monarchy. And next one, point number 3, government by the officials. Government by the officials. What is it? Government by the officials. That means a government where a number of officers work and help it in order to run it very smoothly. This government where the importance of officials are there, means all the officials, all the officers, they work and help the government so that the government can run smoothly in the country. These officials under whose help the government runs, this government is known as bureaucracy. This government is known as bureaucracy, where all officials are there. The officials look after the entire structure of the government and help the government to run smoothly. This government by officials is known as bureaucracy. Bureaucracy. And next one, point number 4. Point number 4. What is this? Government by the nobles. Government by the nobles. Government by the nobles. What is it? A government which is formed by the help of the nobles. This government is known as aristocracy. Government by the nobles. A government which runs by the help of the nobles. This government is known as aristocracy. This government is known as aristocracy. Now point number 5. Point number 5. What is this? Point number 5. A government by one person. Government by one person. Government by one person. What is it? Government by one person means government by one person means autocracy. Government by one person means autocracy. Government by one person. A government which is a government which is administered by only one person. A government which runs under the care of only one person. This government is known as autocracy. That means the person frames all the rules, all the policies individually without taking any help from other side, and whatever he thinks, he realizes it by hook or by crook. This government is known as autocratic government, means the system by which this government runs is known as autocracy. Then next one, point number 6. Point number 6. What is this? An object through which light can pass. 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 That is transparent. An object through which light can pass. That is transparent. An object through which light can pass. Transparent. The next one, object through which light cannot pass. An object through which light cannot pass. An object through which light cannot pass. Light cannot pass. What is this? An object through which light cannot pass. That is opaque. Opaque. An object through which light cannot pass. Opaque. So these are the terms you have to learn very carefully. Whenever this type of questions will come, you have to answer very quickly and very carefully. Don't mix up one answer with another one. Don't mix up one answer with another. You write answer confidently by learning it properly. That's why you take it down the answers and learn it from the very beginning, so that you must recall it and you must keep it in your memory and concept. Then next one, an object through which light can pass partly. An object through which light can pass partly. That is translucent. An object through which light can pass partly. That is translucent. 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 And next one, one who is all powerful. One who is all powerful. What is it? One who is all powerful. That is omnipotent. One who is all powerful, omnipotent. For example, Almighty God. Almighty God is all powerful. So we can use the name for the Almighty God, omnipotent. We can say it, God is omnipotent. That means God is all powerful, like this. The next one, one who is present everywhere. One who is present everywhere. That is omnipresent. One who is present everywhere. Omnipresent. Omnipresent. One who is present everywhere is known as omnipresent. Then next one, One who knows everything. One who knows everything is known as omniscient. One who knows everything. Omniscient. Omniscient. The next one. One who can be deceived easily. One who can be easily deceived, or one who can be deceived easily. That is known as gullible. Gullible. One who can be deceived easily, or one who can be easily deceived. That is gullible. This is known as gullible. So these are the points and answers of today's GK class. All of you take it down the answer in your copies and learn it properly so that you can write all the answers perfectly and can, if you have any problem, any difficulty, you can ask me. I shall help you during live class. You can ask me any question. If you have any difficulty, any problem, you let me know. I shall help you during my live class. Up to this, my dear students, thank you.